Hi.
Hello guys, this is Chloe.
This is Novia.
Yes, welcome to our live stream today. We are Sure Beauty.
And today we will introduce this machine to you.
Yes, we can see cavitation and radio frequency and EMS PAS machines and the capping machine.
Yes, you can share this live stream to your friends or your students to let them know more about this machine.
Yes, and I welcome you all to follow us because we will share you more news, more tips, and more new machines to our new friends.
Yes, and we have the live stream every day, right?
Yes, we will have live stream every in this week and next week. Yes, so welcome you all to focus on our live stream. So we have many different different kinds of beauty machines, like we all know that's the ultrasonic cavitation, yes, ultrasonic cavitation machines, and the vacuum therapy capping machine.
Yeah.
Yes, and this one, EMS PAS machines and EMS scalp machines and fat freezing machine. Yes, actually we have many different machines.
Yes. In addition, we can provide special service. For example, the drop shipping and customization service. Okay, let's start our topic today. So today we will introduce 4 different machines to you guys. Let's introduce the first machine. Is 3-in-1 cavitation and RF machine.
Yes, this one, it is our 3-in-1 cavitation machine. Yes, and this one is also 3-in-1.
Yes, but you can see the difference between these two handles. These handles, the function is different. This is RF and this is ultrasonic facial handles.
Yes. We can see that it is the old version.
Yeah.
Yes, and this the new one.
Yeah.
Can you see what's the difference?
Of this probe is bigger than the old one, right?
Yes, we can make a comparison. Yes, it is bigger.
Yeah.
Yes, so it can focus on bigger areas.
But I think the most important change is this handle have a higher power.
Yes, it is more powerful, so it can make better slimming results.
Yes.
This one is the cavitation 2.0, and it is with the flat interface.
Yeah.
But this one is not. And this one is the cavitation 2.5.
Yes. Is the cavitation handle is the same, but these two machines have different function.
Yes.
With compared with this machine.
Oh yes, I can see this one is they are radio frequency.
Yeah, these two handles.
Yes, they are ultrasound handles, so we can use them on our face for nutrition introduction, essence introduction.
Yes, so the size is different.
Yes, so we can use this one on our eye area. Yes, eye around, and this one can be used on our face. Yes, on our chin. Yes, on our small area on our face.
Yeah.
So this small one can be used on our face, and small area like this one, but they are with different functions.
Yes.
The radio frequency can make the face lifting and skin tightening. Yes, to help our skin regeneration.
Yeah.
Yes, and this bigger one. The bigger one can be used on a bigger area. Yes, it can also use on our body. And we have prepared the water, yes, to test the cavitation.
So let's choose the cavitation function and adjust the energy and start it.
Yes. Yes, and it is the only way for us to test the cavitation. The handle is working now.
Yeah. And how about this one? This one we can use the water to test it, right?
Sure. And it is not a 40K cavitation, so we have different test way.
Yeah.
Yes. Yes, let's see how it works. Yes. Yes, we are making a test for the ultrasound handle. We can see the water is vibrating now, yes. And it is way to test the ultrasound, the facial ultrasound, but not the 40K cavitation. Yes,
on the
but
water?
For the cavitation, we cannot test it by this way. We need to put the handle on the water directly to test it. Yes, and we can hear the noise, this sound. So it means it is working. Yes.
And when we use this handle, we can feel they are become warm.
Yes, you can feel a little warm. Yeah, because it is with high frequency when this handle is working, so we can feel a little warm. The 40K we cannot feel warm. Yes, during using the cavitation. Yes.
So let's talk about the next one machine.
Yes, the next one is this one.
It's the EMS machine.
Yes, we can see this EMS pass. Yes, this pass. We can feel the microcurrents. Yes.
And this machine also comes with the cups.
Yes, sure. This machine is with a set of cups and includes these grease cups. Actually, we have 3 different sizes for these grease cups. Can be used on our neck, on our back and body, and our arms. Yes, they can help our body detox. Yes, this small one can be used on our foreheads. Yes, on this and on our neck. And we also come with cups. Yes, cups, the mercury therapy. Yes, so the cups can be used on our body. Yes, like these small cups. And the bigger one, we have a set of the cups with different sizes, so they can be used on different area. Yes, the big one can be used on our butt lifting and breast lifting. Yes, we can see these cups can be used on our back. Yes, on our butt lifting.
Yes. So this machine have 2 different functions. You can use it for different treatment.
Yes, EMS pass and the cupping therapy.
Yes.
XSL cups. Yes, many people are interested in the bigger one. Yes,
they love it.
And we have different color for this. We have the purple, the pink, and the clear one. Yes, you can tell us what colors you need, and we will sell it to you.
Yes.
We can see how it works. We have the suction hole on the back of the machine. Yes, let's turn on the machine first. Yes, we can hear the sounds of the suction.
Yes, of the pump.
Yeah, let's choose the second.
Adjust the suction power on the bed of the machine.
Actually, they are with different suction time and release time.
Yes.
Yes. Wow, it is only suction and no release.
Yes, the suction power is very strong.
Wow. Okay, so they are with different suctions and release time for the modes. Yes, you can use different modes according to your need. Yes.
So after finish the introduction of these 3 machines, let's talk about our last one machine.
Yes, this one, it is the Emsculp machine, and many people are interested in this machine. And after turning on the machine, we can see the 2 functions. Yes, we can see the altered functions and the menu. For the auto one, the system have set the energy and the time for you directly. Yes, you are a new one who ordered this machine. Yes, to use it at the first time. Yes, you can choose the auto one. And we have the manual one. Yes, you can choose it. You can set the energy by yourself directly. Yes, maybe we can see the auto one first. We can choose the female and the male. Yes, the difference. And we can see, we can choose the age. Yes, the age first. Like if you are 20 or you are 50, yes, you need to choose different energy. Yes, and for the auto setting, yes, they have set for you directly.
So the energy can adjust it automatically according to your choice.
Yes. Let's see the first one. We choose the female and the age is
less 30.
Yes, and we can choose the area you need to treat, like the abdomen, the arms, legs, yes, or buttocks. And then, yes, get started. Yes. Wow. We can hear that the machine is working now. Well, yes, it is working now. We can hear the electromagnetic, and we have showed the auto mode. Yes, and we also have another mode.
Yeah.
Yes, the manual mode, and choose the manual one. So for this manual one, we can choose the functions and choose the energy and the times and all things.
Yeah.
Yes, we need by ourselves directly. Yes, we will use the handle on our bellies to show you guys it is more clear. Yes, we are making the treatment for the EMS scouts on our abdomen.
Yes, you can see how it works.
Yes. Yes, it is the EMS scout handle. Yes, we can set the energy from low energy first. Hi friends.
The treatment is safe, right?
Yes, sure. It is no any risks, yes, for the treatment and no panics. And the treatment for this EMS scouts is about 20 to 30 minutes. For the EMS Scout machine, it can help us to reduce our fat, reduce the cellulite, and it can also help us to increase the muscle, and it can help us to increase the fat metabolism, because after the treatment for the fat reduction, we need to get a good metabolism so the fats can get out of our body.
Yes.
Yes, and it can also help to lift our buttock.
Yes.
Yes, so it have different functions for this EMS Scout machine.
Yes. And we don't need to apply any gel or cream on it.
Don't need to apply the gel. We can make the treatment directly.
Yes.
Yes, we can make the treatment directly after setting the energy and the treatment time. Yes, we can get started.
And when we will see the results?
We can see the results immediately after one treatment.
Okay.
Yes.
One treatment.
But the treatment will last about 20 to 40 minutes. Yes, and you need to set the suitable energy for our different clients.
Okay.
Yes, you can see immediately effect results.
And how long does the result last?
The result can last about 6 months to 1 year. But if you can keep a health diet, yes, and keep doing some exercise and do more treatments for this, yes, you can get a
long-term effect.
And this is only for one handle. And if you would like to get other handles works, we can set this one.
Yes, this is for 2 handles.
Yes. After finishing the treatment, we need to stop the machine first and then take off the belt. Yes, please don't use the alcohol to clean our handle because it is harmful to our handle. Yes.
Yeah, it will damage the handle and shorter the service time.
Yes, after finishing the EMS scalp machine just now on our abandoned, and we will make the treatment on the neck. Yes, on the neck to make the detox.
Yes.
Yes.
And
hi friends, welcome to our live stream. We are making the treatment for the capping. Yes, and in Chinese we call it guasha. Yes. Yes, it is the vacuum therapy. Yes, after setting the caps, we can turn on the machine.
Oh. You can hear the working sound of the pump.
We need to apply some cream or oil before the treatment.
Yes, otherwise it will damage your skin. The specialist is apply the oil on the model's neck.
Yes, we need to do some massage. Yes, to help our bodies relax.
Yes. Can you give us more details?
Yes, for this machine, it is with VMS microcurrent pads.
Yes.
These grease caps and the different size of caps for the breast and breast enhancement and lifting.
Yes, and body detox.
And for this machine, it is with different functions.
Yes. So this machine have 2 different functions. You can do different treatment by using this machine. And this machine is cost effective.
Yes. Yes, we have changed the model now. It is only suction and no release.
Yes. You can see the neck is reddish.
Oh yes, a little bit.
Reddish.
Just a little bit. The treatment, we recommend the treatment time is about 50 to 20 minutes.
Yes.
And one thing we need to note that we cannot take a shower after the treatment. Yes, at once. Yes, because after the treatment, the body is in the metabolism as for the detox.
Yes.
Yes.
And please drink more water.
Yes.
Drink water is important after the treatment. It can maximize the results.
Yes, we can see after about 10 to 5 minutes treatment, we can see the redness on our neck on the treatment area. Yes. Actually, these caps can be used on our face.
Yes.
On our chin. Yes, to help the detox. But today we will not show you this treatment. Yes, we just show you how it works. It is the same way to work on our other area.
Yes.
Yes.
So I think it's time to finish this live.
Yes, it is the time to finish our today's live.
Yeah.
Yes, but we will have our live tomorrow. Yes, see you at the same time tomorrow.
Yeah.
Yes, we will finish it now. See you tomorrow.
See you.